Good afternoon, everybody. I just got off of work, and I've got to go fix the Blue Turd's exhaust. It's got an exhaust leak on it, so I'm going to go meet up with James, the guy with the black Integra that you've seen in my DA Squad video and my K-Tune muffler install video. But I got a little bit of a drive ahead of me, so I'm going to get going right now, so that way I'm not late. But I also got a package, so I'm going to unbox that because it's not nothing crazy, but it'll still be cool, so I'll unbox that in a bit. So right now, I'm going to head to his work. So it's hard to hear it kind of, but the exhaust leak is like right down here. You can kind of hear it ticking. So I'm gonna go get that patched up. What's going on, my dude?
Hands are all clammy, sorry, gloves.
It's all good. So he's got to change out his transmission because he cracked his housing, so yikes. Got to keep switching lifts because I didn't bring my 2x4, so it's hard to get it jacked up. You can do it, no power steering life.
Part. Yeah, fucking diff and all the other shit in there. So
That's all that's in our transmission.
that's all tranny is right there. It's pretty fucking basic, man.
I honestly had no idea that this is how small our transmissions were. I really thought there was a lot more too. Well, there's no more exhaust leaks, so that part's taken care of. I don't really know what else we're going to do now, so maybe work on his car, maybe go for a cruise, we'll see. Alright, so he's taking his transmission out and he's putting in gears for a V16 transmission, and the housing on his old transmission with those gears is cracked, so he's going to swap them out. So that's what we're doing right now. So we ran into an issue taking the lower ball joint out, so he's got to undid the top one, pulling the knuckle or the freaking wishbone out, and then pulling the axle out. No mercy.
Let's replace some shit too.
Creamy.
No. It's not good. I don't think it's supposed to be that color. It either means it's really fresh or got some water in there.
Yeah, that's no bueno. Nope.
Right on out.
Did you need that still?
Yeah, it usually like that.
I don't know.
Fucking suck. Especially when you're trying to do it like this, underneath it. Quality, but I'm gonna have to pull this.
Dropped. Stuck. All out. Yeah, it's starting to come apart up here.
Yeah. Just gotta get the fucking stuff on the mount.
Just so you guys know, this isn't meant to be an instructional video. This is just us taking his car apart. If this wasn't instructional, it'd be a lot longer. But we're short on time. We're trying to get this done tonight. But I'll be doing Jonah's, the guy who helped me go get my rotary engine. I'll be doing his clutch here pretty soon. So if you guys want me to, I'll make an instructional on how to do that. So it'll be new to both of us. But we're almost there.
Actually, yeah, we got fucking part pretty much.
Good old clutch dust. You need some help? Okay, there we go. We are free!
You want to just hold it so it doesn't fall over?
Yeah.
Try to bring it down a little bit. I'm stuck on.
My hand is stuck on the hose. It's out!
That was part of the battle. So yeah, when you fill it, you just pull this out and dump the fluid straight in here versus go through this socket.
Yeah.
So
Just one bolt up
yeah,
there?
it's just a one bolt of one piece.
There you go. The more you know. Trying to fill your transmission on your B-Series training, easiest way, take out the speed sensor. Get swole. Looks like diarrhea.
Yeah, so
Maybe start taking this apart? How do you just drop all the bolts along the side here and then...
you gotta pull these two out. There's two balls that hold it in. That's for the shift forks. So when you pull these out, there's a spring on it, and then there's a ball in there. You want to make sure you save the ball, or else you'll never be able to get it in gear.
Noted. Oh, like a little bearing.
Right on there. battery's going dead.
This is a learning experience for me just as much as it is for you guys. I've never dealt with transmission stuff before other than like shift linkages and stuff, but this is pretty sick.
That was so much easier than the first one I did. Holy shit. I had to fight it for like 20 minutes. There you go. Training apart. This one is much cleaner than the other one.
What is this, LS?
Yeah, this is the LS. Remember the video I showed you where it was like all that goop shit coming out of it?
So right now we're just kind of like sandwiching it all together, I guess, in a sense. Kind of putting it together.
For lack of a better word,
yeah, for lack of a better word, we're sandwiching it together. But it's trippy how simple these things really are. Alright, there you guys have that. That's just kind of like a basic rebuild of a B-Series transmission, but we're calling it a night for now. Just basically put the cover back on, bolt everything back up, throw it back in the car. So if you got that far, then I'm sure you can do the rest by yourself. So now, it's pretty late now, so we're both going to get out of here, and then I'm going to go unbox that box quick. Alright, so let's get this unboxing out of the way. Nothing special, but it is from a fellow YouTuber, Underground Trev, so be sure to check out his channel. It will be somewhere like right around here, maybe. And yeah, so I'm going to open it and see what he sent me. He sent me stress relievers. Sweet. Another corner lens. What is this? Passenger? Yeah, passenger side. Because as you probably have seen in my other videos, like going around the front of my car, my corner lenses don't fit for crap, and that's because they're really cheap eBay lenses and not OEM lenses. So this one, you probably can't read it because of fisheye, but Stanley, so that's OEM. So thank you again, Trevor. That's super sick of you to just hook me up like that. But alright, but that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys enjoyed me helping James tear apart his transmission. It was a learning experience for me, so I thought it was super cool. But yeah, until then, I will see you guys next time.